Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Oracle deck review. Today we're going to take a look at the Affirmators, the love and relationship specific Oracle deck here. Technically an affirmation card set, so they're 50 cards to help you help yourself without the self-helpiness. So I'm kind of excited. I really want to check out their tarot and then all of their other decks because from what I can tell, they're absolutely adorable. And with this being getting closer to Valentine's Day, I'm wanting to check out a few romance specific and love specific decks. So if you have any recommendations for me to that you want to see me open up, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section below and I will be sure to get my hands on those if I can. All right, so let's take a look at this. This is published by, let's get the wrap off so I can see. This is knockknockstuff.com. And I will I will post in the description box below everywhere I know that you can find this down there. So that way, if you are interested in picking one up for yourself, you can go ahead and click on a link. Again, this is not sponsored. I'm not paid for any of these reviews. You know, I just simply want you guys to have a look at the decks and see for yourself if you would like to purchase them. All right, it's been proven that making positive statements out loud can radically improve your mood, outlook, and relationships. We're not ones to argue with science. So we're giving it a shot. 40 cards offer daily affirmations without the self-helpy self-seriousness on love of all stripes, from friendship to romance. And 10 bonus cards bestow some extra love and vibes. All right, so knockknockstuff.com, and I don't remember how much this retails for, but I know I got it for like $12 on Amazon. All right, I really like how the box is. That's really cute. It slides off. Okay. Ooh, there's a ribbon. Quality, guys. You know it's quality when there's a ribbon. Okay, how to use these cards. There's no wrong way to use these cards, laws notwithstanding, but here's our suggestion. Turn the cards face down on a table in front of you and shuffle them the way a 3-year-old would. As you mix the cards around, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and silently ask the cards to give you a message that you will benefit from in this moment. Then reach in and pull a single card, confident that this is the one card for you, at least for now until the next time you pull a card. Read your affirmator, and for the greatest potency, read it out loud. Say it as much as you like, then say it again. If you draw a bonus card, relish in its wisdom and use its gifts at will, for you have been bestowed with great and mighty powers reserved only for 10 cards in this deck. What a fortune! Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so it doesn't come with a guidebook. That was it. I don't see, okay, illustrations by Naomi Sloman, and then Suzi Barrett. So hopefully those are the author and the illustrator because I didn't see anything else on the packaging. Okay, so there's a lot more of their little stuff out there too, a lot more decks, I should say. So I'm interested into getting those as well. So let me know if you have any of the Affirmator decks and how you like them down in the comment section. Okay, so this looks like the back here. So cute. Look at that little narwhal, octopus, starfish. Cute. Love and relationships. All right. So, okay, that's really cool. So it has what the card is and then the affirmation. That's really awesome. Let me just get that in the frame for you. And should you want to pause the video at any time to read any of the affirmations, go ahead and do that. At the end, I'll pick one card and we can kind of read through it and see. But this is just going to give you a general feel for how the deck will look and work. Very cute. The cards are a little thinner than I would like them, but you know, it's not too bad. There are some borders. It looks more matte. They feel really good in the hand. So yeah, I mean, as far as oracle decks go, this is definitely something that you can use as an oracle deck or a one card a day meditation. Affirmations are usually, you know, something that you want to say a few times during the day whenever you feel the need to boost whatever thing you are trying to help yourself with. I can't explain it. It's like a self-confidence boost, really. It's like when you look in the mirror and say, I'm beautiful 5 million times, like you start to believe it kind of thing. That's a poor example, I know, but that's off the top of my head. I mean, it definitely has a lot of the key issues here that a lot of relationships go through and face. All right, okay, so these must be the 10 cards here. Cleansing, honesty, initiative, levity, perfect match. Okay, let's just read one here. Congratulations, you've gotten your and everyone else's wish. This is an auspicious sign that a healthy, authentic relationship is either here or on its way. This is the sort of relationship where you don't have to compromise, settle, sell out, or otherwise be a non-you. This is a relationship anchored in truth and love that neither party will have to hide their farts from. Smells like a special duo. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. And wait and see. Okay, perfect. All right, let's see how these shuffle. Because yeah, they are a little bit thin. They shuffle just fine. I don't have a problem with it. Shuffling this way is probably going to be better than shuffling in the hand. Decent. It's not the best, but you know, I think it's just fine. Yeah, it works. I don't hate it. I just wish the cards were a little bit, like a tad bit thicker. But, you know, for the price and the cuteness of it, I'm not complaining. All right, so let's go ahead and just pull a card here and see what we get. Listening. I activate my receptive side and become an engaged, intuitive, professional-grade listener. Supercharged listening gives me the ability to not only hear the words others are saying, but also to perceive the emotions hiding between their words. Armed with this knowledge, I'll be in a great position to give them exactly what they need, or, if I prefer, to dominate the planet. All right, this is adorable. So it is really good, like, advice and you know, really good affirmations from what I can see, and it's quippy and cute and quirky, and I'm all for that. I'm all for fun and, you know, not so serious all the time. Like it said, it's self-help without the self-helpiness, right? So even if you are not a avid oracle reader or tarot reader or anything of the sort, this is a great just gift to yourself or gift to somebody else if they, you know, need a little extra boost, or if they like little inspirational cards, that sort of a thing, or if you yourself like them. This is great. I don't feel like it would be a, you know, slap in the face or anything like that to purchase this for a friend, but you know, this is relationships, so I mean, take that what you will with what you will. If you know your person you're shopping for better than I do. So maybe their original Affirmators cards would be a better gift, unless they specifically said, you know, I need help with my love and relationship life. But I'm going off tangent. So it's really cute packaging. I do love the size. I love that you get like the cute little how to use card with it. And there's a ribbon. It's really cute quality, really nice quality, sturdy. And yeah, I think it's adorable. I think it's really cute. I think if you are definitely interested to check it out and purchase it. Now, I am really curious about their other decks, especially their original and their tarot deck. So let me know if you have these in the comment section below and what you use them for, what deck you use. And if there is a specific love and / relationship deck, whether it be Oracle or Tarot, let me know down in the comment section and I will try to get my hands on them and do an unboxing review video for you. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. I have a bunch of tarot deck and oracle deck reviews and pick a card readings and craft videos, if that's your cup of tea. And if you have not yet hit that notification bell, go ahead and do that as well, since then you will never miss a video upload from me. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.